haven't touched it since November.
Okay, let's talk about what did you do. This is bleach.
L'Oreal.
Okay.
Yeah, the red. Or it was like a magenta, it said on the bottle. Yeah, but I haven't recolored it. It's only one time color. New growth. And this was the beginning of November.
Beginning of November?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Do I have free reign?
You have free everything.
Oh, thank God.
It's
Are you like, I just want long, luscious, pretty.
Kind of like something like we did the first time. Something beautiful, something like, you know.
Yes.
I've been feeling a little under the weather, and I just need
okay.
to
Hype
me
you
out
up,
of this
girl.
like little depression on me. Yeah.
All right. Okay. I want to talk about a couple of things. Number one, last time we did curly hair extensions, we decided we didn't like that. The first time we had straight extensions, I loved that. I don't give a shit what anybody says.
I don't care what nobody says.
No.
Forget them.
No.
They don't have to live this.
They don't live this life.
My hair's too thick, I think.
They're so thick.
It was a lot to maintain. I really wanted it because my sister and everybody has long curly hair, and I love that. But that's for them. I'm gonna do my straight ones. That's for me.
That's for them.
That's for them.
This is an issue.
Right.
Okay. It's going to be an issue that you're going to have to really, over time, you know, first off, we'll trim this today. Like, we'll definitely take that off.
Yeah.
But, like, over time, girl, like, this will come off.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's going to look hella healthy today, for sure. This transformation, Taylor, I'm not kidding, is going to be fire.
Yeah.
I actually am going to piss a lot of people off because I'm going to do the same thing I did last time by installing you first and then going, Because why am I going to waste my time?
No,
girl?
I love
time
it
for all
like
that
that.
And we won't do no sew. I'll sew you in. Which one did you like better?
The sewing.
The sewing. Yeah. We're going to use Caramel Dreams. I am going to install them first because why am I going to sit here and literally color these separately? Like, this sounds like a whole lot of wasted time. Okay? That's what we're doing. And I have a better idea. I think we might be changing things up. Hold on. As I was parting it, I thought to myself, we need to do something different. We've changed our minds. I cannot say this enough. This is why I love having a stock of Christian Michael hair extensions in the salon, because I can literally just change my mind last second. I was looking at the ends of her hair and the porosity and the lightness of them, and I was like, you know what? Let's go in and try to create like more vibrancy on the bottom. And so that's why I went in with Irish Cream. I decided to darken the root, and I went in and I used a level 7. I'll give you guys all the details in the caption. But this, I'm so excited. And you saw my saturation was good. Yeah. It's just the nature of cream versus gloss.
Yeah. Tiff did her big one with this one. This? This is it. This is it. This is it. That's good.
This shit's good. All right, girl. Let it ride, girl. Let it ride. You gotta let it out.
Oh my God. Did y'all see me walk in here though? Because I don't even know where she just went.
She's gone now, bro.
Oh my God.
I know.
10 years younger.
I know. And I always have to do like the pony. The
Yes,
pony, girl. The pony.
It goes all up, baby.
Ooh.
Look at that. The same part is giving too. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh my God, I want to cry right now.
This is good.
This is amazing.
This is good, girl.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's get some afters. We gotta get afters.
I'm gonna go to my sister's baby shower tomorrow, and I'm like, whose baby shower is it?
Now, if you got this far, thank you for trusting me. Thank you so much. I know that beginning was rough, but there is a process to it. There is nothing wrong with coloring your wefts before you install. But for this particular install, I was able to do it while they were installed, and it saved me literally half the time. Follow along and let me know in the comments what you think.